Hi, Philip Griffith here with PSG Photo Solutions. Did you press the wrong key and your photos are now gone? Don't panic. They can be recovered. If you're using an Android, stop using it until you run an Android recovery of deleted photo software such as Dr. Phone Data Recovery, and that's Dr. Phone. But if you've turned on Google Photos Backup and Sync, your deleted photos will be in the trash for 60 days. From there, you can restore them. If you're on an iPhone, your deleted photos are stored for 30 days before they are permanently deleted. Open the Photos app and navigate to the albums. Tap Open Recently Deleted Album. Select the photos you want to recover and tap Recover to restore them to your main photo library. Learn more about keeping your photos safe at saveyourphotos.org. If you have questions, put them in the comments below so that I can help you get started using your photos to tell your story so they will last for generations.